Now when we come to fractional indices, so the index number here, or the power, is a fraction, well, there's a little mathematical bit of language going on here, because what this means, so if we have 9 to the power of a half, what that means is the square root of 9. And so if we evaluate that, the answer must be 3. So this here turns into a square root sign. Let's see if we can look at this one, 27 to the power of 1/3. Now that's, in very similar ways, that gives us the cube root of 27, which of course is also 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and because 3 times 3 is 9 here. So fractional indices are important, and this is a little bit of mathematical language you basically just need to learn. And so this 9 to the power of half is a simplified way of saying this, and this to the power of 27 to the power of 1/3 is a simplified way of saying this. Now in the same way, if we had 9 to the power of -1/2, that would mean 1 over the square root of 9, and that would be 1 over 3. And if we had 27 to the -1/3, that would be 1 over the cube root of 27, and that would also be 1 over 3. So we can see you do the same thing when you've got a negative as you did when these were whole numbers. It is the same as 1 over the positive. So another way of saying that, so the reason I've just gone straight to I could have said this, instead of saying the square root first, I could have said this is equal to 1 over 9 to the power of half, which is the same as the square root of 9, which is equal to 1 over 3. So the same thing. Have a work through that, see if you can understand what I've done there. It is a bit of mathematical language you will need to understand, and we're going to start looking at more examples using positive and negative fractional indices in the next video.